Hope you guys are doing well. In this video, I'm going to tell you that how you can install and download Adobe Reader in your PC. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to write the Adobe Reader, and I'm going to write this one. As you can see, now you have to press the enter. After pressing enter, as you can see, now it's here. What we have to do, we have to open this site. We have to click on this. So as you can see, finally the website is open. Now we have to click on this, download Acrobat Reader, and now as you can see, it's initializing. We have to wait for a few seconds. So as you can see, now it's done. We have to click on this. After clicking on this, we have to wait for a few seconds again. Now we have to click on yes. So as you can see, Adobe Acrobat Reader is downloading. It will download. It can take few seconds, a few minutes. It's up to your internet speed. If your internet speed is faster, you will get the result faster. So you have to wait for a few seconds. So as you can see, now it's downloading, and after the completion of downloading, you just need to install it, and the installation process is very simple. You just have to click on it and you have to press the next, and it will be ready to use. And after that, your Adobe Acrobat Reader will be ready to use. So in this way you can do that, and you can preview all the PDF file in this software. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can download Adobe Acrobat Reader on your PC and how you can install that. So see you guys in the next video.